Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some bases from Fluid 3D Workshop. Now these bases come in all different shapes and sizes and they range from MDF to Perspex clear bases. Now I'm particularly interested in the clear Perspex bases and I bought some 60mm bases as you could see for that really cool Space Wolf miniature. And the 60mm bases that you see here all have a clear film on them that you need to peel off to reveal the real clear see-through Perspex. Now I think these bases are wonderful to place on gaming mats and gaming boards, so you can see through to the terrain from your miniature, so it almost looks like they're freestanding, which I think is a fantastic idea. But let me know what you think of these bases in the comments field down below, guys. Also check out the description box, there'll be a direct link to Fluid 3D Workshop's web store where you can check out these bases and more they sell on their store. And thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.